there, this is Naveen Persa from Persa Tech channel. Today we are going to unbox a Honor 10 and have an early first look at this mobile. Let's unbox it and see the mobile inside it. This Honor 10 is expected to arrive globally on May 15 and also already appeared in the world 10 days ago. This is a China product and I bought it from China. Let's have this mobile. Let's clean it because it having a glass back and it is a finger attraction thing. So have a look on the back side of this mobile. It's having a green shades, blue shades and purple shades and looks so premium. It's having a dual camera also back side. Let's see, one is the 16 megapixel and another one is a 24 megapixel camera. This means the new phone should be able to have multi-scene detection within a single photo, which will be enabled by the AI capabilities of the Kirin 970. I said previously this is the Kirin 970 processor used in this Honor 10 mobile. It having a semantic image segmentation mode. This means the new phone should be able to have multi-scene detection within a single photo, which will be enabled by the AI capabilities of the Kirin 970 processor. So let's having a on front look. It's having a 5.84 inch with a notch on it and in a 19:9 aspect, and the screen resolution will be 2280 by 1080 pixels. It is an LCD screen and we can see the viewing angles. It's awesome. On the bottom chin we will find a fingerprint scanner. So the people who like the fingerprint scanner on the front side, it's so suitable for them. And it is inbuilt in the bottom chin, so it is looks so premium and awesome when compared to the other mobiles. It looks so stylish. This is a flagship mobile. So coming into the SoC department, the SoC is built by Huawei awarded high silicon and comes with an octa-core CPU clocked at 2.36 GHz, and the RAM will be 4 GB RAM, and I own this mobile having a 128 GB internal storage, and it looks awesome with a glass backside, and it possesses 3320 mAh battery. On the bottom you will find an earpiece and a 3.5 mm audio jack and Type-C port. On the front you will find a camera and the earpiece for listening the audio calls. So let's have a look on the box what it contains. Having a SIM ejector pin, keep it aside. The charger contains 4.5 amp charging and the mobile supports the super fast charging. It can charge up to 60% in 30 minutes, and the Type-C port we can find the purple branding also, as it claimed to be a Huawei 10 super fast charger. Now coming to the mobile, it having a EMUI 9 and it's compact and we can tip anywhere on the screen. Even it possesses a 5.84 inch screen, it's so compact and easily maintain it. So having a glass back and premium look, it will be a better flagship mobile and can beat OnePlus mobiles also. So that's all about this video guys. Thank you for watching. If you not subscribe our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.